Can't find HDMI 1, 2, 3, or AV inputs on your HiSense Roku TV home screen? Don't worry. Here's how to restore the missing inputs in just a few seconds. First, if your TV is running an updated version and you still can't see any HDMI input on the right side, scroll down on the left side menu. You'll find the TV Inputs option inside there. Open it and you'll see all available sources and ports on your TV already listed here. No setup needed. But if your TV is on the old classic mode and you can't find this option anywhere on the home screen, go to Settings. Then TV Inputs. From the Available Input section, go to Inputs Not Used and select the input you want to use and set it up. I usually set up all inputs from here. Then go back to the home screen and see everything shows up and works fine. Now, to rename any input for easier access, go back to the same settings. Select the input first, then choose Set Name and Icon. Enter your preferred name, pick an icon, and you'll see it updated perfectly on your home screen. No more missing inputs. Now, if your HDMI shows up but says no signal, looking for a signal, or a black screen, that's a different issue. We already covered it in another Fix 369 video. Check it out for step-by-step fixes. That's it. Thanks for watching till the end.